Hey there, welcome to another vlog, and today was super productive. And if you did not watch yesterday's video, let me give you a context on what I'm going to talk about. So I was working on this super interesting project where I'm going to conduct a 3-day live workshop, and I had challenges coming with the content of the framework of what the data is going to be around. And yesterday, after struggling for like 2 days, I came up with what I'm going to talk about, the framework and stuff. So today I was done with day 3, almost done. Just have to see if there is any other points which I would like to cover. And I was done with day 3, and I looked at the other tasks which I had to complete, which are in my Trello board. So I looked at them and I realized that there are a ton more tasks which I had to complete, which I did not. My schedule was like crazy. It was all over the place. No specific time, no specific thing to do at any given point of time. I was going on the flow. And by the way, if you're wondering what this is all about and who am I, I'm Surya, and this is actually where I'm documenting my journey as I grow my audience completely organically using sales funnels, offers, and publishing. So with that said, so I had no schedule. I was doing things as they came by. And I realized that there were like ton more tasks which I had to complete and which I did not have any schedule for. And I was looking at YouTube to see if there is anything that I can come up with, and I'm really interested with. And I look at Ryan Serhant, and he's a real estate agent who closes like $1 million deals. And since I have a background of closing deals, so I used to look at him. And I like the way that he shows his condos and villas, which are super fantastic. Like they give you a chill, like, oh my god, they are super awesome. And I look at him, and in one of the videos, at the end of one of his videos, he shared something very interesting for me. He has a habit of where he opens his book and he writes down his complete schedule for today, before he goes to bed. It doesn't matter what time it is. He exactly knows where he's going to be tomorrow at the same time, which I was like, oh my god, that's so cool. So that is one thing that I'm really missing out, because I do not know what I'm going to do tomorrow at the same time. Obviously creating video, of course. So but still, I do not know when are the tasks that I'm going to complete, which I have. So I'm making a habit of opening a book. I already have a book, so I'm going to write down what are the tasks that I'm going to complete and what exact time that I'm going to dedicate them for them to complete. It doesn't have to be like precise, but this is something that I'm going to do a recent new initiative. So the time is going to go off the place, which is completely fine. And the most important thing is you doing things, you taking action. If you're doing that, that's fantastic. And take this point down, which I learned from Ryan. So he said that, I do not remember if Ryan said this or if I learned it from someone else. So anyways, so I learned that your schedule should not be around your work. It should be the other way around. Your schedule should be the crux, and your work should revolve around your schedule. Not like your schedule should not revolve around your work. It's the other way around. So, which is like, oh my god for me. So, which again, let me know down below if that really makes sense for you. If not, I'll make it a better. I'll come up with a better way to explain that and communicate with you. And that's something that I wanted to share for today. And by the way, I'm going to work with 6 people this week, 3 people on Thursday and 3 people on Saturday, which is going to be complete, where I'll be spending 20 minutes giving you the directions, the way, not the exact steps. I'm going to show you the way, and which is going to be complete of no cost when it comes to, again, this is not for everyone. This is for people who are interested in, who already have sales funnels or offers or publishing. If they want any directions, go down below. I'll share the link below in the comments. for person, and I'm going to take 3 people on Thursday, 3 people on Saturday, and I'm not going to charge you anything. And if I really help you, the one thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to ask for your testimonial. Only if I do help you, which I am going to. So go down below, look for the link, and schedule a call with me. Cool. So with that said, always remember, make the cash rain.